I'm showing you guys this really powerful trading view indicator. Works like a charm. So first of all, you need to install your your moving average settings on 10 close, and you need to install the reversal signals by Lux Argo. First and foremost, you need to wait for this reversal signal to turn green, then wait for a cross on your moving average, and then you strike. See that? I can give you another example right here. As you can see, we had a signal right here. We had a break out. That was going to be a nice buy over there. As you can see, we had a nice buy there. All right, went a little bit even higher. So it works like a charm. Test it out, back test it. If you need further help, make sure to DM me, message me, and I'll happily help you.